Good morning. Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Let us thank the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a divine wisdom from the book of Proverbs. Because I believe with all my heart that a Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friends, and learn this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 2, verse 7, the Lord grant wisdom or common sense to those are honest, and He become the shield to those who walk in integrity. So my friend, learn that God is a rewarder. Just believe that God rewards those who are honest and walk in integrity. There is reward from the Lord. He will become your personal bodyguard because He will become your shield. He will protect you and guard you in all your ways. So my friend, just a reminder, and I declare to you, Shalom, Shalom, peace and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more.